Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 544, and today I am going to discuss the reaction mechanism of spreading of coronavirus, that is novel coronavirus, that is disease is called COVID-19. As first condition, we know that this novel coronavirus is new. If I say new, it means that its protein structure is altered and designed and it is mutating. And because of this mutation of its protein molecule, that is called spike protein molecules, which is very special in the case of virus, is changing every moment. And because of that reason, it is not possible to have any specific medicine that is called antiviral. And all this I have already discussed. This thing is that how it is spreading. So once we are saying it is spreading means from one human to other human. And this is happening and it is multiplying. Once it goes to our, that is respiratory tract, it is acute respiratory syndrome disease, corona. And it has more than 100 family members and their behavior, protein behavior, if I am saying behavior, they are similar, they are same. But in the case of COVID-19 disease, coronavirus, it is not the same. It has some similarities, but it is different. That's why in my previous lecture, if you remember, I mentioned that globally there is impression that this novel coronavirus is engineered and designed in China city, Wuhan. Why people are suspecting? Because it is having sparking speed, spreading, very efficient as compared to other coronavirus. Because coronavirus is well known, this protein is well known. It's not something new. So this is the big question. And today, I have gone through the news that one Nobel laureate, I don't remember his name, in France, he has very clearly mentioned that this new coronavirus is man-made. Very clear indication he has given. And if you are hearing the news, following the news, even the American leadership has stopped WHO funding. The reason is that American leadership is not happy with this. We can say it is not biological warfare, but this biological security was not observed strictly in Wuhan. And once it was leaked, and immediately when they got the casualties, they were supposed to report in November, December itself. But the WHO did not report about this leakage, even Chinese. This is the big confusion today. And because of this confusion, the trillions of dollars of economy and human beings, they are killed and they are suffering. So how it is spreading? Just a simple cell I am showing here. For example, if there is one cell like this and which is having like this spike protein, this is your, you can say, coronavirus cell, and the other one is having normal cell. So normal cell is having, and it is coming closer. So this is your, it is made up of mostly these cells. they first come closer together, very close. Once they are coming very close, then that is called recognition. They will recognize each other. Is my neighbor, is my normal cell, or it is different? And that recognition is by upper surface protein layer molecule. It is your protein layer molecule. And both are having protein layer molecule. It is having, only thing is that it is having DNA. So, and here what is happening? There is extensive research how these virus molecules or pathogens of different protein, they are recognizing each other. So, three molecules are responding. One is protein, second is lipid, fat, and third is complex carbohydrate. So these three molecules, they play a very important role here when they come very close and about to bind. During the process of binding, first they will interact with this very upper layer protein molecule and they will try to recognize. And if your normal body cell fail to recognize, if it is recognized that it is well known, no problem, it goes well. But if it is not the known one, then they are supposed to kill it, destroy it, damage it. Here it is called, if it is not done, that is called immune surveillance failure. Your cell which is responsible to recognize killer cell, dendritic cell, they fail to recognize the coronavirus new protein structure, and then it is possible to have the spread of coronavirus and it will be entered there. And during this process, how they come closer here, protein layer is made up of amino acid, and that amino acid is by one very special bonding that is called peptide bond. And this peptide bond, what is protein? Protein is nothing but polypeptide. There are millions of peptide bonds, they are hooked together with amino acid, amino group and carboxylic group, which provides the zwitter ion. And there is chance of hydrogen bonding. And with that hydrogen bonding, the binding will start. So, first problem comes that the failure of recognition means your dendritic cell, T cells, they are weak. And what is happening? Why this coronavirus is very much effective and lethal to very senior people? The reason is that, if it is from 15 to 38, 40, 45, 97% people they recover. And from 50 to 70, it is around 70% they recover. But if you are above 80, 80% of the people they don't recover because their immune system is failing and their immune surveillance is not working for this coronavirus, and that's why it is not, they fail to recognize and to destroy it. And that's why it comes and absorbed by your respiratory tract. And the same principle is there. As a medicinal chemist, let me tell you very clearly, every human being on this earth is the carrier of cancer cells. Everybody is cancerous. Everybody is cancerous, and in everybody there is tendency or there is capacity of producing cancer cells. The reason is that our body is, maintained by division of normal cells. So, in the process of oxidation, when we are that is based on oxidation theory. That is oxygen. Oxygen taking means oxidation. So oxidation here plays very important role during cell division. Those cells, the newly divided produced cells, if they get enough oxygen, they survive and they multiply, they do their work, and they die and the new one is produced. But in this process, according to latest research, some of the cells, they may not get enough oxygen, so they will die. But some they may resist and they mutate their gene. That is mutated cell, means that it has changed its gene. But once it is mutated, there is immune surveillance T cell, and it will recognize and immediately it will be destroyed. That is the mechanism, reaction mechanism is going on, protein reaction in my body. If our immune surveillance cells, that dendritic cells, T cells, if their surveillance is weak, means if suppose anybody is having cancer, it means now he is having more than millions and millions of cancer cells, is dividing, and those surveillance cells, they are failing to kill them or recognize them. It means very clear. Cancer means your total immune system failed. That is the first thing. And then we put on, that is immunotherapy. That is the basic of this chemical reaction, what is happening. So here I am giving how it works. That is called cell-to-cell recognition. These two cells will recognize each other, and if they are failing, it is surveillance, immune surveillance failure. So cell-to-cell recognition, it is our surface cell protein molecules, which I have already told you, ability to distinguish one type of neighboring cells from others. This communication phenomenon occurs at nano level. Actually, it is called at nano level means 1 billion communication networking of cells. They will communicate with each other by the upper surface. That is called communication networking, and they will try to recognize and destroy. And if they are failing, it means our immune system is failing to recognize. Surface occurs at nano level with surface binding cell to cell recognition impacted by mutation of gene protein. What is dendritic cells? It is a special type of immune cells. It is found in the human tissues such as skin and boosting the immune response by showing antigens on its surface. And they are also known as conductor of immune response. Then what is immune surveillance? The reaction mechanism of immune surveillance means viral cell cannot escape from immune surveillance because dendritic cell, that is DCS, help in process of recognition. Actually, if we have enough dendritic cells, DCS is it plays very important role in recognition. And if it fails, it means our total immune system is failing. We have to boost our immune system by taking the immune boosting fruit and vegetable. So help in process of recognition and destroying the virus cells. If this mechanism of immune surveillance fails in the person, then normal cell of a person is kidnapped by coronavirus cell. So this, if our dendritic cells, that is called disease, if we have enough, it can take care. Not only for this virus, any type of pathogen, because they are able to recognize the neighboring cell and can destroy it. So this is the reaction mechanism, the chemistry behind how it is spreading. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.